What's up, guys? It's your boy PZ Reed here, and I'm back with another video. Alright, now we all know that Snapchat released a new Dookie update a couple days ago, and the whole world hates it basically. Right? It's completely garbage. It smashes your stories and stuff into one piece. I don't even really want to talk all about it, but PZ Reed is here to save the day. Of course, you know. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the old snapback. I said snatchback. This is not basketball. Snapback. I said snapback now. What am I talking about? Stupid. I don't know what's going on in my head, but I'm going to tell you guys how to get the old Snapchat layout back, okay? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the old Snapchat layout back. So I'll have the phone recording on the screen, but first things first, you want to delete this whole Snapchat app off your phone, okay? Then go to the settings, go on iTunes and App Store, okay? Turn off automatic updates. After that, go back to the App Store and re-download Snapchat. Go to login and type in your email and then hit I forgot password. Choose it to reset via phone and get the code. Type it in and change the password, then log in and you will have your old Snapchat layout back. It's that simple, guys. It's really that simple. So, yeah. Thank you, boy PZ. Comment down below, like this video, share it, so everybody can get their old layout back, because no one likes the new layout. It's dookie. Alright, guys. Been your boy PZ, guys. Love y'all, and I'm out.